All right, guys, this is the product you guys are going to need if you want to be, or you need if you're going to be doing any kind of work with possibly resetting airbag modules. Guys, this can do it over OBD. You don't have to pull out the modules in most cases. Definitely want to stay to the end of the video and watch everything. Coupon code, you're going to see the coupon code here, guys. Stay to the end of the video. There's also a bigger discount coupon code, more products coming for you in the future as well. We're also a distributor for CG products and OBDstar, guys, so definitely want to watch all of these, especially if it's a product you're looking for. You want to see basically how the product performs and where it might have some limitations. But everything is 3 vehicles have been tested. So guys, definitely check this out. Watch it to the end. And I'm a distributor, but I also pretty much stand by this product. I actually do believe what I say about it and how it performs. Members, go to the members area. You've also got a members discount there, guys. Click that thumbs up button, guys, and let's go. Also forgot to add, we will be having the CAN FD adapter at a later point. So if you ever work on the bench with newer Kias, Hondas 2020, 23 and up, you might need to use the FD adapter. If you use it via OBD port as seen in the videos, it's not necessary, guys. This is only for bench use. All right, guys, this is going to be unboxing video for the OBDstar P50. We've got these available in stock on the site as well, so be sure to check the link in the description, guys. Go ahead and open it up. Okay. Certificate. Here's the actual device. We got our charger, OBD cable, right? And looks like an interface. And our breakout cable. Yep. Okay. So let me pull it out. All right, here's the device. USB port at the top, power, interface, USB-C, power button. Looks like a memory card slot. I'll open that and see what's in there. It looks like it can take a regular SD. Little guide to tell you about it, and that's it. It's rubberized, feels good, sturdy in your hands. I don't have any complaints about the feel. Feels really good. 12 volt 2 amp charger. Okay, DC charger, right? Again, here's the interface. It looks like ignition switch here. We got on, off, and OBD connects to the vehicle or OBD port. And there you go. You would connect up your connectors right here, and you've got a dip switches here. Try it power on. Might be dead. There we go. It's booting up. Now, this device will allow you to clear most crash data without even having to open up the units or solder up, just straight up via OBD. And it does specify that it's a lot. We're going to test it here on one of them. So stay tuned for the next video. Click that thumbs up button, subscribe, and see you on the next video, guys. Agree. And it's already up. Looks like it has TeamViewer built in. Upgrades. Okay. All right, first thing, I'm going to go ahead and set up my Wi-Fi. All right, now that I'm connected, I'm just going to head and update. Yes. Let it download the latest software. And I'll bring you back in a little bit, guys. All right. We're going to tell it to install. All right, I'll bring you back in a second. All right, it's done. Okay, we're able to launch it. Just took a little while. You just have to wait after you install. And it's back. Let me go ahead and download these. Okay, once you upgrade, you go in a personal center and you're going to go ahead and log in, create an account if you don't have one. And then you're going to need to go to upgrade. And then at upgrade, you'll be able to download all the software. And it's downloading. You can view the upgrade changes by clicking on this here. And that shows you the updates as of this download. So now on the home screen of the app, we've got Airbag Reset. First time launch, so it's upgrading everything. All right. So and here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on the next video, guys. Click that thumbs up button. This was the unboxing, and we're going to test this thing out. So like and subscribe and check out the other video on this.